In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up attribution models in Google Analytics 4. Attribution models decide how credit for a conversion is distributed across the touchpoints that led a user to take action. Getting this right ensures your reports reflect the way your marketing truly works, whether that's discovery at the top of the funnel, nurturing in the middle, or closing at the end. Start by opening analytics.google.com and signing in. Make sure you're looking at the correct account and property using the drop-downs at the top. You'll need editor or administrator permissions to change attribution settings. So if you don't see the options I mentioned, check your access with your admin. Next, head to the admin area by clicking the gear icon in the lower left. This is where property level settings live, and it's the place to control how your data is displayed and interpreted across reports. Within the admin screen, look for the section labeled Data Display in the property column. This area governs how certain metrics and attributions appear in your reports. Click into it to reveal the related options. From here, select Events. You're in the right neighborhood, and it's helpful to know that events and attribution settings sit side by side because events ultimately feed the conversions that attribution models evaluate. You don't need to change anything here unless you're managing which events count as conversions. We're just moving through to the relevant settings. Now click Attribution Settings. This is the hub for choosing how Google Analytics 4 allocates credit to touch points in your reporting. If you don't immediately see it, confirm you're still in the correct property and in the data display section. In attribution settings, choose your reporting attribution model. Data-driven is generally recommended when you have sufficient conversion volume because it uses your property's data to learn which interactions tend to drive results. If your data is lighter, a rules-based model like last click, first click, linear, position-based, or time decay can be more predictable. Remember, this setting affects how conversions are credited in your standard and advertising reports. It does not change the underlying events you've collected. You can switch models later if your strategy evolves, and it will update how your reports allocate credit without altering raw data. When you've selected the model that best matches your measurement goals, click Save. The change applies at the property level, and you'll see its impact reflected across your GA4 reports. After saving, give your reports a moment to refresh, then review trends to ensure the model aligns with how you evaluate channel performance. That's it. You've configured attribution in GA4 so your reporting better mirrors your marketing reality.